So if you are ever curious of how SORA works, there is a free SORA app, the first one right now. So as soon as you have downloaded it, you will need to, of course, create an account. You can use your Google account, and this is what you're gonna see. So SORA is an open AI, so it's gonna ask you to read, the terms and conditions, and on this part, you will create a username, of course, and that username you can change it. You'll have a display name, and then you'll just have to follow the prompts, and it's gonna ask if you want to connect with your friends in your contacts, so it's up to you. So this is basically what you will see in the installation process. So you'll be able to set up how you want the settings to be for SORA. And then you're gonna keep going back to this part, so you're gonna have to allow notifications if you want to be notified for any updates or any activity in the app. So again, you have the option to find your friends, or you can just skip that. And you will then give you instructions. You will get more informations as you go to the step-by-step process. And you will hit continue, so you can now set up your own. So basically, you need to turn on your camera because it needs to scan your face. So you can choose your options there while using the app, or you can only allow this time. And this is what I'm talking about. You start recording and say the numbers. There will be numbers
93,
that you will need
21.
to read, so it can record your voice and your image as well. And then you will get this content advisory. So it's just gonna let you know that you have completed it. See, this is what you will see. And here's the content advisory I was talking about if you want to read that. But that's it.